What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on the Camry. We're going to be installing all-weather floor mats from Lasfit, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is the package it comes in. These are our floor mats, which is the two front, two back, and the center one, which this is pretty cool. But before that, you can get the same floor mats with the link down below and save 10% with my code on all floor mats and LEDs from Lasfit on the Camry. I also want to thank Lasfit for sponsoring to this video. This is the second car I have with the floor mats, and all my cars and clients' cars use Lasfit LEDs. So make sure to check them out for all your needs. Alright, so before starting, I just want to show you all this. All these mats are custom fit to your car. It's all weather, it's non-slip, and it's waterproof, and it's soft. It's very soft and low maintenance. You can literally just pass a hose and it will come through and clean it up really easy. And they're very eco-friendly. They're made from a special TPE material, and I love them. This is my second pair, and I'll probably buy for my whole fleet. So I currently have these factory ones that I got, and they're good. But I just want to show you this part right here, back here. The back ones barely get used, but look how the edges are flaring inwards for no reason. They're good, but that kind of bugs me, even though I never used that side. These, I use it on my wife's Rogue. I have a video down below also that shows the installation on that. And these look very rigid. It's worked on my wife's car very easy, so I shouldn't have an issue, and it's actually higher than the other one, so it looks pretty good. Let's install it. The thing is about these, it has these little anchor points from the factory. Anchor points. Oh. I'm gonna put new Lasfit ones. Car's a little dirty. I'll clean it later. Doing this for the purpose of the video right now. Wow, it actually looks way better. It fits with the factory anchor points with no issues. Wow. Alright, so that one turned out really well. Super custom fitted. It's crazy how good it looks. Let's try this back one. I really want to see how that center will look. Let me take out this. Don't get me wrong, these are not bad, but that pisses me off. So let's try this first. There's like the center. I'm gonna show you how it looks once it's on. Wow, that's actually really nice. So that's just one piece. It goes in first, and then you put these on top. And look at that, it's spot on. That looks really good. And I'm gonna finish up the whole car. Sorry for all the noise, but the mats are on. They sit absolutely perfect. So just look at the rear ones. You see how it flares out or flares in. These don't do that. It's absolutely perfect fit, full coverage, which is the custom fit part. You see this little part? It actually sits on the ledge. For a snug, custom fit finish. I really like it. I'm happy for it. Alright guys, I just want to say that these mats are very awesome. I have them on my wife's car, which is the Nissan Rogue. I have the video down below, you want to see that also. And I have my kids in there. So there's food on the floor, there's mud on the floor, there's dirt on the floor. I grab my pressure washer and I just, and it comes right off with ease, and dries very good, very instantly, almost instantly, with no issues. And it's not slippery. It's eco-friendly, so it uses friendly materials. Yeah, so it's not like a rubber, but it's soft TPE material, and it works great. It's my second pair, and I might even end up getting one for my work van because it needs it. But I just want to thank again Lasfit for sponsoring today's video, and go to the link down below. Shop at their store, save 10% on anything you buy with my code, which I'll put it down below also. And to all my subscribers, thank you again for making this happen. We're almost at 500 subscribers, which is awesome, and I can't appreciate you guys enough. You know, you can follow my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and for other content that is not available on YouTube. And once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.